Hi everyone, today let's talk about communication and media. We use communication every day to talk with friends, learn in school, and spend time with family. It's really important in our lives. I also learned about information literacy. This means knowing when you need information and where to find it and how to check if it's true. That's super helpful today because not everything we see online is real. Media has changed a lot over time. In the pre-industrial age, people used cave drawings and told stories. Then comes books and newspapers in industrial age. The electronic age brought radios, TVs and phones, and now we're in the information age using the internet and social media every day. It's cool how media has grown, but we need to be smart. We should think before we post, be careful of fake news, and protect our privacy online. Remember, knowledge is power. Use it wisely and stay safe online. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something for today, guys. Bye bye.